Let me save you some time. Most side hustle videos are trash. They either give you a 5-year plan that will never make you $1, or some AI generated nonsense like selling cottagecore aesthetic campfire bundles on Etsy. No one's doing that. Well, that's not entirely true. There are actually a bunch of people doing it, but they never make any real money from it, and they definitely won't replace their 9 to 5 with it. Now, this video is different. I'm giving you 6 realistic side hustles that are actually working right now in 2025. You don't need experience, you don't need money, and you sure as hell don't need to go and dance on TikTok. Which is good because I definitely have 2 left feet. Now, these are all beginner friendly, fast to launch, and they can realistically get you $500 to $2,000 a month without needing to quit your job and put all of your time and effort into them. Now, I've either done these myself or I've helped people who have set them up for themselves. No bullshit, just what actually works. So if you're serious about building an online income this year, then you're in the right place. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you become financially free. Now, this is hands down the fastest way to make money online starting from zero in 2025. You don't need a product, you don't need followers, and you don't need a penny to get started. So here's how it works. You promote someone else's product, and every time someone buys through your link, you get paid a commission. It is as simple as that. But here's where it gets really quite powerful. You can combine it with short form content like TikToks, Reels or YouTube Shorts, and suddenly you've got unlimited reach without having to pay for ads. You just need one thing in place, and that's a system. So you set up a simple 2-step funnel. On page 1, offer something for free, like a cheat sheet or a mini guide, in order to build trust. Then on page 2, this is where you introduce your affiliate product. And then your email sequence takes over from there and does all the follow-up for you. Now, your job from here on, well, that's just to drive traffic into the funnel. Create short videos that speak directly to a problem your audience is struggling with, and then point them to your free resource. From there, the system does all the selling for you. You don't need to beg for DMs, you don't need to go viral, you just need consistency and a product that pays you properly. And if you want the shortcut, then I've already built the whole system for you, the funnel, the emails, the content plan, the lot. It's inside my free affiliate starter pack. The link for that is in the description below. This is how you build real digital income starting from nothing. Now forget $5 tasks on Fiverr. This is how people are making $5K off of just one sale. High ticket closing is when you jump into sales conversations for coaches, consultants or course creators and help them close big deals. You're not cold calling, you're not sending desperate DMs out like mad. You're just coming in at the end of their funnel on qualified leads that are ready to be closed. Now, some remote closing requires you to find the lead yourself, which is no problem if you build a simple 2-page funnel like I mentioned earlier. If you have to find the leads yourself, then it's more work for you, but you typically get paid a higher commission for doing so, so you usually end up with more money. This can also be great if you're new to high ticket sales, because if a creator or a company has put in money and work building up a list of leads, then they often don't want to risk those leads with inexperienced salespeople. But if you're willing to find the leads yourself, then it's a great way to get your foot in the door. It's important to remember that you don't need a background in sales or really any experience in sales at all to do high ticket closing. Most high ticket closers start completely from zero with no experience. I've trained lots of people who have never sold anything before in their life, and I've turned them into complete killers who close 1K to 10K deals every single day. You just need the right script, the right offer, and the confidence to follow a proven process. Learn the process, master the psychology and the correct tonality, and you can start closing 2K, 5K, or even 10K deals all from your phone while only working a few hours a day. If I was starting over with no money, no audience and no product of my own, this is exactly what I would do. I would use high ticket closing for fast cash and then affiliate marketing to build passive income in the background. If you want to see the exact system that I used to close my first 10k deal in under 30 days, it's all in next week's video. This hustle doesn't just make money, it builds real skill. And high ticket closing is probably the highest ROI skill that you can learn. This one is slept on, but it's stupidly scalable. You buy the resale rights to a digital product, something like an ebook, a mini course, templates, planners, that sort of thing. Then repackage it and flip it as your own. You don't need to create anything from scratch, you just need a clean landing page, a Stripe account, and a way to drive traffic, like content, email, or even paid ads once you've got proof of concept. And the best part is, the margins are insane. Once you've got the rights, everything after that is nearly 100% profit. This works across dozens of niches: fitness, productivity, parenting, money, you name it. Now, you're not building a long-term brand with this, but for quick cash and learning how to sell online, it's brilliant. And if you want to get fancy with it, you can add upsells, bundle multiple products together, or build a funnel that pushes them into affiliate offers or high ticket services on the back end. I know people who are making $500 to $2K a week flipping digital products. They didn't even create themselves. It's simple, it's scalable, and it's really slept on at the moment. So take advantage of it now. Now this one feels like cheating, but it works like crazy. You build simple one-page websites for local services, plumbers, roofers, electricians, landscapers, that sort of thing. Do it using free tools like Google Sites or Card. No coding, no design degree needed, just a clean layout, a few keywords, and a call button. Then you rank it locally on Google, which is way easier for local terms. And once the leads start coming in, you either sell the leads to a business or you rent out the entire site like digital real estate. Now, let me be clear. This isn't building a personal brand or hoping someone clicks your affiliate link. This is hard data. When someone searches plumber in Austin, your page shows up. They call, you get paid. You can charge $10 to $50 per lead or rent out the entire site for $300 to $1,000 a month, depending on the niche. And here's the wild part. Most of your competition are 55-year-old business owners with websites that were set up in 2009. So you don't have to be a genius to outrank them. If you're willing to learn basic SEO and local intent, you can own your entire town. Set it up once, stack the leads, and turn digital dirt into passive income. Okay, I know earlier in this video I took a shot at the Etsy side hustle crowd, and I stand by it. If you're selling weird aesthetic bundles to other broke people. But if you use Etsy the right way, then it's actually a gold mine. You're not selling products, you're selling solutions in the form of simple downloadable files. Think budget trackers, wedding checklists, workout planners, kids reward charts, small business invoice templates, things like that. These are things that people are already searching for, and if your digital product shows up when they search, then you get paid. No physical inventory, no packing, no shipping. You upload once and you can sell it forever. Now, obviously design matters, but you don't need to be a graphic designer to pull this off. Tools like Canva make it stupidly simple to create professional looking downloads in minutes. The trick to doing this well is finding a niche with demand and solving a problem that people are actively searching Etsy to fix. You're not creating trends here. You're just solving practical problems over and over again for a small price. Do it right, and this becomes a compounding asset that generates sales while you sleep. So if you want a side hustle with long-term upside, low overhead and almost zero maintenance once it's up and running, well, then this one's a no-brainer. This is one of the most slept on side hustles in 2025, and the demand is insane. Right now, every coach, creator and consultant on the planet is trying to grow on social media. But here's the problem. They don't have the time or the skill to cut up their long form content into short form bangers. That's where you come in. You take podcasts, Zoom recordings, YouTube videos, cut them into 30 to 60-second shorts and make them punch. Add captions, zoom in on the eyes, add emojis. You've seen the format everywhere, you know what it is. And guess what? Everyone needs it. And yes, I know that there are AI tools that will do this for you, but let's be honest, they're not great. I've used a few recently, and from one long form video, you get about 20 short clips, but of that, maybe 2 or 3 of them are actually usable. So there's definitely still a market for micro content editing. You don't need to be an expert in editing to start either. You can literally learn the basics of CapCut or Premiere Rush in a weekend. And if you're not confident yet, offer your first few clips for free in exchange for testimonials, then raise your rates fast. I've seen beginners charging $50 per short and experienced editors pulling in $1,000 a week or more just from chopping up content. So if you're looking for a realistic skill to learn that's high in demand right now, well, then this is it. And here's the kicker, you don't even need to create the content yourself in order to make money with it. You just need to know how to repurpose it. Alright, that's 6 side hustles. They're all solid, they're all working right now in 2025. But let's simplify it a bit. If you want something that's fast, free and scalable, then start with affiliate marketing. It's simple to launch and it teaches you how to actually sell online. If you want to develop a high income skill, then go all in on remote closing. It's big money, big upside. Now, if you want long-term passive income, then build a few local lead gen sites or flip digital downloads on Etsy. If you want to sell but hate selling, then flip digital products. That way you don't have to do anything on camera, no pitching, just copy and paste, then drive traffic to it. And if you're creative and you want reoccurring income, then offer micro content editing because the demand for that is really insane right now. Now, here's the deal. Don't watch this, get inspired and then do nothing about it. Pick one, commit 30 days to it, and then go all in. And if you want the easiest starting point, then grab my free affiliate starter kit. It is completely free. You don't pay a penny. You get a plug and play funnel, a ready to go email sequence, a simple content plan, and a step-by-step guide. You're not guessing, you're just executing. This is the exact system I use, and it's helped hundreds of other people start earning online. The link to that is in the description below. Download it now, go and make it happen. And finally, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online.